What's up? So guys, we are getting ready to go out to the Bay on a Wednesday. We're like San Francisco Bay Area. But our friends asked us to be part of a music video, at least our car. So it's gonna be cool, so we get to experience that. So I'm actually excited. It'll be a first time for that for me. And it would be a good video if we didn't start off with a nice little cold start. It's pretty loud. Since ever since the exhaust thing, I feel like it revs a little deeper. But yeah, let you know when we see anything on the way. And we're gonna stop by probably SF before we go. Yo, this F90 is fucking clean. I think it's an F90. That thing is nice. It's an M3. I wonder if this black wing will do a takeoff. I just heard him in the tunnel. This thing is sick. I don't know if I can do it. Darn it. He was so loud. Oh my god. E46 behind me is actually really clean. If you can see it. I'm trying to get him. Let's see. So nice. That's an E46 M3 and that thing is pristine. Oh my. Car's beautiful. Alright, so we're currently headed to the meet. It's a little bit wet, a little bit rainy, but yeah, not the end of the world. There's this 350Z up front I want to try to catch up to, but they kind of were going pretty fucking quick, so it's gonna be hard to catch up to them. But in Mexico, we're going fast in Mexico. Yeah, if I see anything on the way, I'll let you guys know. If not, well, I'll see you guys at the meet. When you said this is the phone. Yeah. Dude, this thing is so sick. This is the family car right here. This is how you pick the kids up at school. You're the back seat. Oh, dude, it sounds so good.
The traffic is here. I'm not trying to cut it up. They took off after me. I saw them all get pulled over. 1, 2, 3 cops, all right before the Bay Branch. And I got some like, oh my god.
We're here for the meet. There's already lots of cars here.
After that,
Just taking some pictures right now. You also had the vlog.
Yo, it's cold.
I'm gonna do a little video of everybody. Yeah, sure.
I was like, you need me to hold it?
Sure. Thank you. Exploding your chest. So there's a couple cars. We also got there's this SI out there. A GT Challenger, it's like the 50th year anniversary Challenger. 5K groups all lined up right here. Fox body. This is a 350. I was trying to record you.
Yeah?
Really, yeah, like when you're driving over here, but then you took off and I was like, unfortunate.
Which car were you in?
The Elantra, but I didn't have undergo on it at the time. No, it was on the way here. You guys were in the fast lane, the far lane. I was gonna try to catch up, but I got cut off by 3 cars.
I know, for some reason, whenever someone gets next to me,
Yeah.
I just pull off because I'm like, oh, they're gonna follow me.
Yeah, it's literally in the video. I'm all like, I want to get to this 350, but they're so far ahead.
I know.
It's a nice car.
It's here now.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Are you guys going on the cruise with us? It's like a couple miles, and then we're coming back.
Maybe because I'm coming from Hayward.
Oh,
Yeah, so I don't know.
I can make you feel. I can guilt trip you right now. I'm coming from American Canyon, so yeah. But it's because they're the music video. That's why I came for them. Yeah. Yeah, my North Face jacket, rich. Yeah, rich. Cammed LS 2002 Escalade. This dude was bouncing on that ball. He's getting like 10 feet of air. This thing. IS300 Lexus, tasteful. Trying to see what else we can see here. BRZ 63 CL. Hey, I think I could be wrong. 8th Gen SI. VTEC. Sorry, the rain. Alright, if there's anything else that shows up, I will update the video. Hey babe, it's a Supra. Babe, it's a Supra. I'm trying to I'm being serious right now. The MK5 Supra is sick. I actually like that he went with the silver wheels, the chrome wheels. Dude, these wheels, I like the chrome, man. It looks good. And the fitment. Damn. This shit's sick. Yeah. It's car. Brodo! Where you at?
Shut the fuck up! I'm moving the seat back.
Dude, look at my legs. Look at my legs.
How much room
Oh,
do
I'm
you
good.
need?
Oh, dude, it's so roomy now. The funniest part though, Tony, when I saw you this weekend, I was wearing your shirt under my footer. Oh, yeah. I forgot to take it off and show you. But I was wearing it for our end. 836. Satin wrap is sick. S2000. Sorry, I'm looking at this stuff, but. Damn, they got some food too.
Honestly, yeah.
The Moodster's here. The GTO is so sick. I think the fit boys will leave. Your homies are leaving, dude. Fit squad. Fit squad, go bye-bye.
So how much do they want for it too? Yeah, and I also looked at Motorsport 10. They're really good. I mean, this one in the back, I mean, you would.
Zach and Tony going over specs for the M2. He's
15
got
is like that much. It's not much. I don't think. It looks like it go hella far. Oh yeah, you got a lip right here, huh? Oh yeah. I mean, yeah, but still, if you put
this thing's so clean. He's only had it for about 5 or 6 weeks. I've been making a video right now. GTO! Oh, no, you're good. You're fine.
I'm sorry.
Is that a... So we're getting ready to do our cruise. Video is shot.
If you're like actually interacting, like yeah.
Some cars that have joined the lobby. A couple of M3 BMW boys. Adam, Alexis, the Hatch. Got the cameraman pace car. See the Helica? See, that's the track, or the drift one. And that's all that's added us. So coming up when we get another video, or when we continue the video, it'll be on the cruise. I'll try to get everything recorded. And on that note, guys, we've made it home. A little tired, but yeah, let's say everyone had made it home safe from the group. Other than that, yeah, nothing else to report. It was a fun time. Crash music video when I get the actual video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Sitting in this comfort in my work has got me fucked up.
Slow down.
Swear to God, I'm about to lose my mind and hit the
Hold down.
work and go to sleep, wake up, repeat, that's how it
Goes now.
8 p.m. or something, I don't know, this town's a joke. Got some cantaloupes and natural calm, I think I'll be alright. I'll write a section for my blessings, what I got and what I don't. Should probably lay down, close my eyes around 11, probably won't. Cause I stress too much, like I'm obsessed with it. I swear anxiety's my bitch and I'ma undress it, or maybe address it. Fuck it, I talk about it too much. Summer went by way too quick, 2 days turned into 2 months. It's hot as fucking September, pounding in my left tempo, cause this bed sucks. I would probably give my left nut to be stress-free. On an island in the sea, on a jet ski with a breeze flowing through my teeth. On a beach, sipping tea under the trees. Sometimes I think about what if and I forget about what isn't. I swear it's like I'm locked inside my mind in a prison. I'ma shine, I don't give a shit, I'll just learn to deal with it. This room is cold and dark and man, I really just ain't feeling it. But Call of Duty helps me pass the time until I get back. If you're trying to 1v1, you probably need to sit back. Who I used to be, carefree, man, I miss that. Shout out to my past, current me, here's a diss track. Fuck you stupid panic disorder, you hypochondriac. Life is too short to be missing out. I used to smoke and laugh after work, sitting in my car to the sunlight, rolling up to hit the Xbox, feeling alright. Yeah, shoot for the stars, right? How can I reach them when gravity just hits me broadside? Fuck it, I'm diving into the summit. Maybe I'll make it through and say it wasn't so bad, was it? thought about a hook, but I said fuck it, I'ma write it out. Good job, good friends, tell me what's to cry about. Copenhagen on my mind, I guess I'm about to give in. That shit been with me every single lyric that I've written. I guess it's a part of me, yes, it's a problem. It's a battle with some demons, man, I wonder how I got them. I've been at the bottom, I've been full throttle. Need to slow it down a little bit, Ferrari to me out of this office that I'm sitting in, a home away from home. No, I in team, but I would rather sit alone and daydream of what happens when you up and leave your castle to another country. But I wonder, is it worth the hassle? It wasn't, maybe it was, yeah, I don't know exactly. I was searching for some artificial things to make me happy, but I'm glad I did it. I found peace for a minute. I've been feeling empty, yeah, but fuck it, I'ma keep living.